Wow. It's, oh my God. It's getting water all over. It said we had a chance of rain, but the thunder, ooh, oh, let's get the light out. See if we can catch some. Come on, give me some lightning so I can show everybody Alabama weather. Ooh, it's coming down harder now. By the way, this stuff, it's plastic. I just will have to go out tomorrow and fix it. Oh, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 5 miles away. Thank God for a roof over my head and a warm bed to sleep in. Alright, there's a little update. Sun is supposed to be coming up, but it's after 5 something. So, alright folks, there's some crazy Alabama weather y'all love to see. Oh. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi. Wow, that was the weirdest thunder. It sounded like it went here and there, but in 2 different